Hello friends, Poverty Point Customs here. As part of my unboxing video series, this is my new Intex K2 Excursion Pro kayak that we purchased through Amazon Canada. So let's get this unboxed. So in the box comes with a pump. So what you're going to have to do is take this end of the hose, put it on the pump right here. So you're going to need to unfold and lay out the kayak. Just make sure there's no sharp objects on your deck or where you're inflating this at. So on your kayak, you're going to have two areas where you're going to put in the air, here and here. So you're going to unscrew these. You're going to take this end of your air pump hose, put it in here and twist it. It locks it in. So you're going to pump up each side. Alright, so once the side's firm, just unscrew that, pull it out, and screw in your valve just like that, and then you're going to do the other side. So also in the kit actually comes with a pressure gauge too. So what you want to do is make sure your pressure for your tubes is in the green. So to check that, take this end, twist it in, and you can see ours is in the green. Alright, the next step is to inflate both seats. So you want to inflate them to about 75%, because we want to take those after and install them in the boat, and then we'll inflate them the rest of the way. So before we put the seats in, we're going to inflate the hull. It's right here towards the back. So again, inflate this the same as you inflate your tubes on the side. So the hull is inflated, so let's install the seats. So this is what the seat looks like when it's installed. So let's install the front one. Alright, so you're going to take the seat. As you can see, there's Velcro on the bottom of the seat. This is going to Velcro to the strip on the bottom of the hull. So you're going to push it down and make sure it's centered. You're going to take these adjustable straps and you're going to hook them to the D-ring right on the side. And again, you can adjust those to your comfort. And you can also move the seat a little bit back or towards the front also, depending on the size of your occupants in the kayak. So in the kit, it comes with this also. This is what you call a booster seat. So you can inflate this and it actually goes underneath of this seat. This seat will actually sit on top of the booster seat. Next, you're going to install this. This actually is nice because it spreads out the tubes a little bit rather than them squeezing together like this. So all this is just goes together like this and fits in these little pockets on each side. And it also comes with two fishing rod holders. So all you do is take it like this and push it in, and it locks in when you push it back. So these are called footrest assemblies. What you do is you take this end here and it goes through this hole on each side, and there's three different positions depending on your leg length. So I'm probably going to go all the way forward, and that's how they're looking once it's installed. Again, it's in there and there. This is where your feet plant to when you're paddling. Alright, let's get the motor aka paddles put together. Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like. So once the two paddles are together, check your pressure in your seats. You don't want them too hard. You want them about like that, because you're also going to be putting pressure on when you're leaning back on them. And then once you have them at the pressure you want, just push this valve in and keeps it out of the way. So in the kit also comes with a GoPro mount, same as the rod holders. Just clicks in like that, and then you can screw your GoPro into here. Also has a repair kit as well as a mount for a cell phone. Ours actually arrived broken. As well, it comes with adapters if your fishing rod's a little smaller. Just push it in just like that. So it also comes with a really nice storage bag for when you put it away for the winter season. Alright, so it comes with 2 skegs. So we're going to be on the river, so we're actually going to use the larger one today. Alright, so let's install the skeg. So I just want to mention too, right now we have it set up for 2 people. If you want to set it up for 1 person, you can actually move this seat back. As you can see, the Velcro is there, so you can move this out in the middle, and you can also move your footrest up into this area here, so you can have everything situated a little bit back, which literally takes seconds to do. All right. So it's all together, so it's time to try her out. And it's put away till next time. This thing worked amazing. Highly recommend it. With 2 people, it moved right along. It was very stable. So once we get a little bit of paddle time under our swim shorts, we'll do an updated video on how this is holding up. We're just putting it in the trailer now, just temporary, till I find a permanent location to store it at. Well, on to the next adventure.